If you noticed that in the upper right corner, right next to the battery, you have this green dot on your Samsung Galaxy A37, and now you are wondering what it is, and then in order to check that, you can just simply open the control center or quick settings panel, and then here usually you can see the icon of what is being used. So this is usually a permission that is being used by a certain app at that given moment. In this case, microphone is being used in my case, and you can usually also tap on that icon in order to find out exactly what is being used by which app. So in my case, I can see that the microphone is being used by the Live Transcribe and Sound Notifications app. Of course, if you tap again, you go to the permission section of the aforementioned app, and then over here you can decide if you want to allow or disallow the access to that permission. But usually what you want to do is, of course, just simply turn off the app, so you can of course then decide what you want to do, whether you want to completely close the app or if you allow it to run in the background all the time. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.